What's up guys, Wizzy Plays here, back with another video! I know I haven't recorded in a long time, very sorry. And, yeah, so, today, we are going... My volume is so loud. Ow. Okay, so we're gonna be playing some Speed Run 4! Yeet! Okay, so, whoa. Why is, okay, whatever. I did read in the description that there's moon now, so I guess that's what this is. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna do a couple levels. I am so bad. Why? I really am. I have 30 stars. Ah! I almost fell. I haven't played this in a long time, so I'm a little rusty. As you can see, I am so bad. This bacon hair is beating me. By the way, guys, never underestimate bacon hairs. They can do so much more than you would think they can do. This part's my worst nightmare. I almost died. Okay, let's go. Yay, I made it. I got 2 gems. Let's go. Oh, now this is the desert level. But, of course, it's... I touched the cactus. I am legit so bad. It's been like 5 minutes already, and I'm not even past level 2. No! I didn't touch the cactus! You guys saw that. I did not touch the cactus. Why? If I die one more time, then I will be mad. Please, I don't want to die. I mean, no one wants to die, but I don't want to die in the game. Please, no. There's a unique trail giver right here. What? Okay, whatever. Go away. Boom. I got 2 gems. I'm so good. Oh, yeah. By the way, you guys like my new avatar? Yeah. Speedrun 4 life hacks. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Just playing Speedrun 4. Yeah, I beat level 3. This is so boring. Like, why did they add the moon version? Like, I don't like it. Like, every level is just the moon. I don't like it. It's weird. I like the other levels. I guess that's kind of cool. It's like, what is that thing? What is that? No! I'm slowly falling to my doom. I'm T-posing. Do you think I could jump over there? Yeet! Nope. It didn't work. I'm now just a body. I'll see you guys when I get to the next thing. Okay, I finally did it. Next level. Like, look at this, guys. It's just moon. Can we get some variety up in here, please? Speedrun 4 devs, please. Oh, I made it. Yeet, 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 whee! Okay, let's go. By the way, when I hit 20 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. And by the way, you guys get to choose what game I do the giveaway on in the comments below. So yeah. Oh, by the way, by the way, so, you know how, like, the dude who won the Adopt Me giveaway was this dude named It's Gene, but he said he didn't want it, and so he told me to give it to other people. So, yeah, if you guys want it, the first person who comments on this video, I will give the Adopt Me stuff to. So, yeah, and by the way, props to It's Gene. He's an amazing guy. Very nice. And yeah. So, yeah. And as I was saying, when I hit 20 subs, I will do a giveaway, and you guys get to choose what game I do the giveaway on. I don't care if I have to grind all night to get good stuff on that game, because I will do it for you guys. So, yeah. What did I just do? Did I just... Whoa. Like, guys, look at this. This is the level where it's, like, toxic everywhere. It looks so weird. Well, I mean, that's kind of cool. Okay, whatever. Let's keep going. And jumpy, jumpy, jump. Jump. Also, go subscribe to Julian Ian. I'll put his channel link down in the description. Okay. Help him reach 100 subs. He's a very good YouTuber. Go subscribe to him. If you subscribe to Julian Ian, I will give you a cookie. If you subscribe to me, I will also give you a cookie. I'm pretty sure I'm skipping these levels. I don't know. Eat. So yeah, go subscribe to Julian Ian. He posts how-tos, gaming videos, all good stuff. Roblox, really good YouTuber. Okay, and there we go. I'm at level 9 now. I don't even know what level this is. Well, I mean, like, what it used to be. You know what this is what's in the store? Unique random sound? Game passes? What's this? Oh, is that like a cloud? I don't know. Should I buy a loot crate? Nah. I'm just gonna keep jumping. What items do I have? Oh, these are the trails. I could buy the yellow circle. I have the first one. I'm so bad. Looks like yellow, pink. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm kind of sick right now, so yeah. Oof me. I like this level. I'm so bad. I'm legit so bad. This level's cool. What if the palm trees killed you? That would make no sense. By the way, they might have patched the glitch, but on this level you could go across the water like this. No, yeah. I think they patched it. What's this thing? It ranks now? Interesting. Jump, jumpity jump, 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 jump. Jumpy jump, 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 jumpy jump. I think we can go over there. Oh, I'm over at this chest now. What does this thing do? I don't know. Yeah, jump. Oh, I almost died. Okay, we are gonna keep moving this way. Over here. You know what? I don't want you guys to watch that whole thing. I'll see you when I get to the end. Okay, I've made it to the next one finally. It legit took like 5 minutes to do. I don't know why. I died like 4 times. I am so bad at this game. So, yeah, we're on the next level. Oh, that's just great. Oh, there goes my pizza swords. And everything. Here we go. Here, and I think I concentrate better when I'm not talking. But it's more entertaining when I talk, so I'm gonna talk. And a jump, and a jump, and a jump. Boom, 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 and a boom. I'm sorry. I try to do trick shots, but then I fail. See you guys when I get to the next thing. I am so sorry you have to watch me fail. Okay, guys. We finally got into this little tree area. Yay! So, now, we going to hop on this little area. And finally we have some variety. Like, jeez. And a boom, and a boom, and a boom, and a boom, and a boom. Yes, there's a star. What was that? What is this? I hear bumping noises. This level looks kind of cool. I think this is the money level. I don't know. So, boom. And boom, and boom, and boom. I beat this level. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna have to wrap it up there. If you want to see a part 2 of me beating all the levels, then I will gladly do it. Okay, see you guys next time, and stay awesome.